Hi everybody, Mrs. Pesic here. We're talking about angles now, and this time we're going to talk about angles measured in degrees, but angles can be measured in finer units than degrees. So for example, you know that in an hour there are 60 minutes, but that's the same as with degrees, there's 60 minutes in 1 degree. And we can split up angles even finer than that, and there are 60 seconds in every minute with degrees. So really, you could say that there are 3,600 seconds in every degree. Okay, so let's try and convert. By the way, we would write like just one tick mark to represent minutes like this, and we would put 2 tick marks to represent seconds. So this is really 48 degrees, 15 minutes, 24 seconds. And let's say that we want to convert from degrees, minutes, seconds to decimal degrees, and vice versa using our calculator. Well, first of all, just a quick example. You know, if I had something like 39 degrees, 30 minutes, since 30 minutes is half of 1 degree, that's the same as 39.5 degrees, right? So let's see, how do we do more complicated one like this one with our calculator? So we're going to grab our calculator, and we want 48, 15, 24. So let's see, we're going to go to a calculator page, and on our calculator page, we're going to push this button that's just to the right of the 9, and then we are going to find this little icon right here that looks like a little degrees, minutes, seconds. And so we are going to use 48, 15, 24. So I'm just going to fill them in. 48, 15, 24. I'm just using the tab button. And I want to convert that to decimal degrees. So in order to do that, I'm going to push this book button, which is 2 spots next to the 9. And I see that I can just type in D, and it will get me to the start of all my D options in our catalog. And I want to convert this to decimal degrees, so I'm looking for the DD. And so I push enter, and I want to do control enter for this, and I'm going to get 48.2567 degrees. All right, let's try going the other direction. Let's say that we wanted to, let me write, this was 48.2567. 48.2567 degrees. So this would be the decimal degrees, and this is it written in degrees, minutes, seconds. So let's try another example with our calculator. Let's say that we wanted to convert let's say 32.575 degrees. Let's say we want to convert that to decimal degrees. Well, first of all, I know it's going to be 32 degrees, some number of minutes, some number of seconds, but let's see what it's going to be. 32.575. I'm reaching for my calculator. I'm going to put in 32.575, but I want to point out that, look here, I'm in radian mode, and I would like your calculator to be in radian mode too, because we're going to be doing radians for most of the course for the trigonometry unit. But if I push this little question mark button down here, I can override that by saying, hey, this is in degrees. So I want 32.575 with the little degree symbol, and then I'm going to go back to that book option again right here, and I want to convert this to degrees, minutes, seconds. So I'm going to look for DMS. There it is. And the calculator is saying, oh, do you want to convert this to degree, minutes, seconds? And I do. So I'm going to say Control enter, and I get 32 degrees, 34 minutes, 30 seconds. So 32, 34, 30. So this is 32 degrees, 34 minutes, 30 seconds. All right. And so, yep. And so that's how to convert from degrees, minutes, seconds to decimal degrees, or from decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, seconds. All right, thanks for watching.